to be talking to you guys about this smoothie maker. Okay, so it's not going to be great just for smoothies, but for smoothies, juicing, making baby food, pretty much anything like that. Okay, it is going to be BPA free, so it's going to be nice and safe for you to be able to use. And it is a 5 ml capacity. Okay, so it's going to be nice and big, and you can even see there's the measuring right over there on the side as well. This is going to be great also for on the go because you can just charge it and then it is going to be able to work just like that. So it's going to be great for on the go. All right. So the other nice thing is it's going to make it very quickly in about 30 seconds or so. So I'm going to go ahead and put everything in here. And you can see down here at the bottom, there's going to be 6 stainless steel blades. All right. So let's add in all my things. And then it has the shut off. So now I'm ready to pour. And look at that. Perfect smoothie. Amazing. And it was nice, quick and easy to be able to use. It also comes with a cleaner to be able to get in there, to be able to clean it up and nice and easy around the blades. So highly recommend it. It was super easy, super quick, and love the fact that you don't have to have it plugged in all the time, so you can charge it and then take it on the go with you. So thank you guys so much for watching.